This is National 5 homework. It's question 7 from the Standard Grade Credit paper 2006, and it's a non-calculator question. Right, so coffee is sold in regular cups and large cups. The two cups are mathematically similar in shape, so it'll be a similarity question that I'm working with here, a similarity with volume. The regular cup is 14 centimetres high and holds 160 millilitres of water, or millilitres. The large cup is 21 centimetres high. Calculate how many millilitres the large cup holds. Right, so let's go ahead and go for this question here. So first thing that I'm going to work out is the scale factor between the two. And the scale factor that I'm interested in is going to be, I'm going to think of this one as the new one that I'm trying to find something about, and the old one, the one that I know the volume of. So new, the things that I know that are comparable are the heights of the cups, so 21 and 14. So the new one is 21, the old one is 14. If I just simplify that down by dividing it by 7, what I've got is I've got 3 over 2. So that's going to be my scale factor, and I'm going to leave it as a fraction because things will work out a wee bit better if I use the fraction from there. Right, so from there I'm going to be working out the new volume. And the new volume is going to be the scale factor, and remember, if I'm working with volume, it's the scale factor cubed times the old volume. And that's what I'm going to be working with there. So what I'll do is I'll substitute in my scale factor, which was 3 over 2, and I'm going to cube that, and I'm going to multiply that by the old volume, and the old volume is 160, and we're working in millilitres. Right, when I cube a fraction, I can cube the top and I can cube the bottom. So I can cube the numerator first of all, which will give me 3 times 3 times 3, which gives me 27 on the top there. And on the bottom I've got 2 cubed, which will be 2 times 2 times 2, which will give me 8. I multiply that by the 160. Now, instead of multiplying it all out, it's a non-calculator question. What I could do is I could simplify this down here, divide this by 8 and divide the top by 8, and that should give me 20 up here. So then all I need to do is multiply across the way 27 times 20. Well, 2 times 27 is going to give me 54, times 20 would be 540. So there we go, 540 millilitres. Right, let's see how this is marked. What we've got is, I'm going to go for 1 mark for getting the scale factor correct, so 1 mark for this part up at the top, 1 mark. I'll get 1 mark for knowing to cube the scale factor, 1 mark for getting this line right, and finally a mark for getting the correct volume of the larger cup. Okay, so this one here, out of 4 marks.